Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dive deep into the details of everyday products to see if they really live up to the hype. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Vockjour 3-prong AC power cord, a 5-foot, 10-amp, 125-volt, 18 Florence cable that's designed to keep your devices powered safely and efficiently. At first glance, this power cord may seem like a simple, no-frills accessory, but the specifications tell a more interesting story. This cable features a standard NEMA 5 to 15P plug on one end and AC13 connector on the other, which makes it compatible with a wide range of electronics, including TVs, computers, monitors, printers, and gaming consoles like PlayStation. Whether you're working with HP, Dell, Lenovo, Apple, or Asus devices, this cord fits seamlessly, which makes it a versatile solution for anyone looking to replace or extend their existing power setup. The Vockjour power cord is built with 100% pure copper, and it has a flexible PVC jacket. That means it's designed for high conductivity and low power loss, which is critical when you're relying on consistent power delivery for sensitive electronics. The jacket also adds durability, so it won't easily fray or break even with frequent plugging and unplugging. The cord is ETL listed, meaning it has been tested for safety and compliance, giving you peace of mind that your devices are protected from potential electrical hazards. One of the convenient features of this cord is its length. At 5 feet, it strikes a balance between reach and manageability. It's long enough to connect devices that are slightly away from the wall outlet without creating a tangled mess of extra cable. The cord is ready for plug-and-play use, so setup is instant, and there's no need for additional adapters or tools. If you're thinking about portability, the cord's lightweight and compact design make it easy to store or carry around, whether you're traveling or simply reorganizing your workspace. While it's marketed for home electronics, its durability and compatibility make it equally useful for professional setups where reliable power is a must. In terms of performance, this cord handles up to 10 amps at 125 volts. That's sufficient for the vast majority of consumer electronics, including high-power devices like monitors and gaming consoles, without any risk of overheating under normal use. It's a solid, reliable choice for anyone who wants to replace a worn-out cable or just have an extra one on hand. In summary, the Vockjour 3-prong AC power cord is a reliable, safe, and versatile option for powering your devices. It combines durability, high-quality materials, and universal compatibility in a simple, effective package. Whether you need a replacement cord or just want to extend the reach of your electronic setup, this cable covers the essentials without unnecessary extras. That wraps up our review of the Vockjour 3-prong AC power cord. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth product reviews right here on Product Critique.